day 5. I just left Da Nang and I'm on my way to Hoi An with my personal driver from Grab. Say hello.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, he drives me now to Hoi An. It's about 50 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to Hoi An, and there I will check out the lanterns at night, staying there at the lovely hostel with very good reviews, with family dinner and stuff. So yeah, let's see what we can find in Hoi An. So we just arrived in Hoi An, and yeah, he was a very good driver, so I can just recommend him. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you.
There are so many people. You want the dress? Ibi mango.
I already got it. Checking out the market, and it's so full here. So many people are already at 8 a.m. purchasing and selling all this stuff. All these old ladies having their stands with food and stuff, and yeah, there are a lot of people, and it's really lively, and it's a different kind of scene like yesterday, where a lot of tourists were seen, and now we have here all these locals hanging around and stuff. So let's see what we can find here on the market, maybe something to eat.
tiệc cưới mà đau tay tiền treo rót nước mới hay vợ chồng bản lĩnh ơi là cái con tám tiền là cái con tám tiền.
Say Lavender can really hold the sticks good and move them people can't do that so easily. Yeah. You can't do it like oh. No, take your time. Take your time.